AltLab is a non-disciplinary research laboratory dedicated to artistic, scientific research and implementation of interdisciplinary projects. The space is located in SODAS 2123 Complex for Culture in Vilnius, Lithuania. The Molten Airs workshop series builds its narratives on casual life processes, repetitive habits, and social practices. By speculating on the human relationship to plants, food, or energy, but also using methods borrowed from the sciences, the series delves into unknown interactions between small and large, real and fictional, alive and not alive, us and them. The workshop Sourdough DNA questions food consumption and origins. Major topics and interests in this workshop include commensality, experimental food design, and patterns of time, as well as the collaboration between humans and microorganisms. How do these factors shape the food we eat? The workshop Plant Trafficking rethinks the monetary value of nature and its place in our daily lives. The journey that plants take until they settle in one's home makes us see them as trophies. Meanwhile, the spirituality of the forest, where humans go to refresh themselves, forces us to rethink the daily rituals that people perform with plants and the way they interact with them as other species. The workshop You and I, You and Me invites the audience to imagine the future. Humans, computing machines, and various types of hybrids share the space they live in. Senses are altered. Some are inextricably linked to computing devices. Electricity is used to control the space and beings living in it. In such a scenario, humans take on the responsibility of reshaping social ties to avoid being controlled by corporations and machines. The audience is invited to contribute to the workshops with their stories, images, and sounds. For the ones visiting Vilnius, you are invited to the physical Molten Airs exhibition during these days at AltLab.